Hi, this is Nehal Jain. Depression. Depression is a medical disorder in which a person is sad. This sadness is usually different from the regular sadness. We experience this sadness on to the regular basis. In this, the person loses interest in play, work, and study, and also in some other activities. If a person is sad and he is sad for a longer period of time or he is down, then it is a sign of depression. Medically, if a person is sad for a longer period of time or for at least a 2 week, then they may be dealing with the depression. The symptoms of the depression are they are not enjoying the things like study, play, or anything which the things they like. Then it is a symptoms that they are dealing with the depression. If you have any signs of a depression, then please share this story with your close one or with your friends with whom you feel less lonely, and they also can give you a solution for this. I would like to share my own story in front of you all of the depression to create a favorable environment in front of you all. I have always been a person who keeps rendering of the small and big things into my mind. From the school time, I would always be a shy person to speak in front of the public, and also sometimes to present something in front of the classmate. It would always comes into me into a meltdown.
I'm Protractor Anjali Jain, Club Editor of Rotary Club of Ganjamda Saraf College 3141. Sadness is a natural part of human experience. People may feel sad or depressed when their loved one passes away or when they are going through a life challenge. Depression is a serious but treatable. It affects millions of people from young to old. It gets in the way of everyday life, causing tremendous pain, hurting not just those suffering from it, but also impacting everyone around them. If someone you love is depressed, you may experience many difficulties. It's not easy dealing with a friend or family member's depression, and if you neglect your own health, it can become overwhelming. Your companionship and support can be crucial to your loved one's recovery. You can help them to cope with depression symptoms, overcome negative thoughts. Start by learning all you can about depression and how to best talk about it with your friend or family member. But as you reach out, don't forget to look after your own emotional health. However, these feelings are normally short-lived. When someone experiences persistent and intense feeling of sadness for extended period of time, then they have major depressive disorder, that is MDD. It is also referred to as a clinical depression. It impacts mood, behavior as well as various physical functions. People with MDD often lose interest in activities they once enjoyed. Occasionally, they also feel as life isn't worth living. Medications, physiotherapy, and other methods can effectively treat people with MDD and help them manage their symptoms. Let's join hands and break the stigma.